this out, when I try to split this column into multiple columns, I'm just using the text split function here. Because I'm using a table, it says that I cannot do it. It just giving me a spill error, so you cannot spill it out. So the way to resolve this is really simple. You just add an index. So you add an index here. Everything inside is the same. It just at the end just add one or the element that you want. So this one would be the number 1, this number 2, 3, and so forth. So if I click enter, now I got everything. So what I'm gonna do with the next one, I'm gonna Control C and Control V here, so I get the same thing. But in this case, I'm gonna go with number 2 here as well. Control C and Control V there. I'm gonna just going to change to number 3, and the same here, same thing here. I'm gonna just change this for number 4. Yeah, I think I will do one more time this here because I want that column there. So in that way now I can filter out all the elements that I don't want. So I only want that, and it's working great.